Hey there, welcome. Welcome to Rise and Receive. This is an opportunity in your day to stop whatever you're doing and take a little time to explore how to receive fulfillment in your life by unlearning struggle. So today we are covering tip number 7 on a series of tips designed to help you get easy momentum in a particular area of life. Hey Karina, great to see you. And today's tip number 7, is how to get unstuck the easy way. The easy way. Because generally speaking, when you feel stuck, it doesn't feel easy. You're stuck for a reason, but we're going to illuminate that. So I invite you to think about an area of life where you'd like to experience some easy momentum. And then also think about how or where you have felt stuck. And maybe even think about what you've done or how you've approached getting unstuck, because that will help you get more from today's tip. If you don't know me, my name is Sonia Miller. I'm a speaker, coach, and best-selling author, and I mentor ambitious, goal-oriented people to surpass their limits with ease and speed. And I do this by teaching the one skill that most outcome-driven people are missing, which is how to receive. You see, ambitious, goal-oriented people tend to have a unique set of blind spots and behaviors that cause them to overdevelop what I call their hunter pursuing skills while malnourishing the receiving skills that allow them to welcome into their lives what they've been working so hard for. And this imbalance is the cause of all upper limit issues and getting stuck and not having momentum. So that's what we do here at Rise and Receive. We stop all the overdoing. We explore how to receive, and then this opens up those glass ceilings and those upper limits so that you can welcome into your life the things that you've wanted with much greater ease and speed. So on to tip number 7, how to get unstuck the easy way. So this is what you need to understand. You don't need to do something to get unstuck. That's the first underlying belief that we normally have when we feel stuck. I'm stuck. I need to do something about it, and I need to figure out how to get unstuck. So this belief is what causes more stuckness. All right. So in the world of surpassing your limits, you don't need to work harder. The way we surpass our limits is that we learn to train our awareness. And so we explore what's happening in consciousness. Your consciousness is the first cause of every effect in your life. So when you think you need to do something to get unstuck, there's also this maybe unconscious belief that being stuck is a problem to fix. Once you're in fix-it mode, you are stuck because your consciousness is going to be forever fixing problems, fixing, and this is what causes stuckness. So the key to getting easy momentum is to shift from fixing yourself to nurturing yourself, okay? When a tree is growing and it's at a certain height, if it's not growing higher, we don't think, oh, I need to fix the tree. There's something wrong with it. No, we just say, oh, I need to nurture the tree. I need to fertilize it. Maybe I need to prune some branches so that the energy goes up and out instead of all over the place. That's how we are. We're the same way. Our consciousness creates our reality. So when you shift from fixing yourself to nurturing yourself, you start to open up all sorts of possibilities and surpass your limits. Now, here's another underlying belief. When we get our sense of value from what we do, that's transactional value, we will believe that we have to do something before we can receive what we want, more stuckness. But when you start to nurture your innate value, your natural self-worth that you are born factory set with, all of us are, that allows you to actually feel the self-worth because you are worthy, but you might not feel it. We're all worthy. We don't all feel it though. The feeling comes with the nurturing instead. Then you can start to tap into the higher truth, which is you get to receive what you want, receive your fulfillment simply because you exist. Not because you do anything, but simply because you exist. Just like the tree receives everything it needs just because it's standing there. Okay, so I hope these are lighting some light bulbs, and I'm going to give you your affirmation for the day that you can take into your life. And when you're feeling stuck, this is all you need to do. Practice in awareness. You're training your awareness. Stop. Notice. Okay. Oh, I'm feeling stuck. I'm feeling stuck. What do I do? How do I figure it out? Stop. Take a breath. And nurture yourself instead. Can you see it? Here we go. The affirmation is, I am willing to receive simply because I exist. If you've heard this today for the first time, this tends to be a mind blower because that is so counterintuitive. But yes, when you become the consciousness of I'm willing to receive simply because I exist, you become the invitation for life to provide rather than you being the sole provider. So practice that. I hope you liked it. If you found it helpful, please please share. It helps me reach the people that I'm here to serve. If you're on YouTube, click the red subscribe button. And if you're liking these easy momentum tips and they're activating some new things in your life and you'd like to actually energize momentum, I invite you to save the date for May 21st. I'm going to be offering a brand new workshop called the Get Momentum Workshop. I'll be releasing details as soon as they're available, which will, I think, be this week. And I'd love to see you there so that you can really come away with receiving clarity, receiving your power, and receiving your path forward in momentum, progress and movement in your life, getting things really going. So I look forward to seeing you at the next tips. The next easy tips, number 8, have a great rest of your day. And remember, you cannot receive what you most want if you don't know how to receive. Bye, everyone.